Hi guys, Ben James here, back with another video on how to make money online or how to sell other people's products, which is called affiliate marketing. And this video is going to be about today about three key steps you need to take to actually promote other people's products online and make some money online. Now, if you hang around, we'll get into those three core steps. And right at the end of the video, I've got a really good bonus for you. So hang around and watch. But just while I'm here at the moment, a lot of people come in here and you know, will say they make some money online, and that's all good and well. That's wonderful. But I just want to show you here some of my results from this is the ClickBank, which is an affiliate vendor. Everyone's heard of this, I think. If you haven't, it's just a place where you can find digital products to promote online and make some money. And as you can see there, I'll refresh the page just so you know it's legit. Um, and there's some profits that I've made. Just so you know that it's possible, number one, and you can make some money. Now, ClickBank isn't my primary source of income online, but I use this in a lot of my tutorials just to show people the possibilities and all that. My focus is really in the high ticket affiliate marketing area. But if you want to start off and just make a few $1,000s a month and just get started, then I just encourage you to keep watching this video, and we'll go to step one right now. First step, guys, you've got to find a program that you can make money out of. Okay, so this is the first crucial step in making money online. Now, if you're wanting to learn how to sell other people's products and make a commission, it's called affiliate marketing. So I'm going to be very simple here. Some of you guys may have done this, you're doing it already, but this is the first step in the crucial step, and you've got to pick the right product. Now, what I want to do is really give you access to this product here. It's called Partner with Anthony. You may have heard it. I mean, this guy has set up an amazing and a really simple way for you to leverage off of everything he's done, okay, at a very low cost. So you need to, in short, you need to get this, because not only will you get a commission for selling his program and driving people to this page, he also has in the back end, and it's all in the training, it's all in the modules, and I'll show you in a second how to set up residual income on the back end. So what does that mean? That means that people come here and buy this program. Okay, at the moment he's got a special offer, $7 a month. I mean, you spend more on coffee every month, much more. So if you won't sort of invest at that level, I'm afraid I can't help you. But this he won't have this for too much longer, I don't think, because it's ridiculous. But I certainly didn't pay that. More like 100 or 97 a month. So what you can do is get access now, and you'll get access to all this in here. Okay. So there's your dashboard, and you get your commission links and everything. But in here, you've got sessions and training. And as you go through it, it's just welcome. It's well laid out. Modules are there. How to set up your commission account, making sure you get the commissions. Biggest reason for people. He's got some videos and training in there. And then you mark that session complete. Then you go to session 2. 12 principles of uncovering the entrepreneur in you. Really great stuff. The momentum is key. Mark this session as complete again. And as you mark the sessions, you can only move to the next one. Okay, what is affiliate marketing? So if you're really starting out, or you want to gain, or you kind of started out and you really want to get going, get you the basic tools and all sorts. So you go through all these sessions, and this really, for the value that you're getting for $7 a month, my goodness, 30 sessions of coaching. And you set everything up and just follow everything he does. Session 18, not available yet, because I haven't got that far, even this far yet. But and then as we move down, it gets into all the nitty gritty access tools and all that. Okay, so I've gone through a little bit. I'm getting through some of it as I go, but I'm heavily involved in another program that I promote. And this program I definitely promote because it's a great way to actually help beginners get started. So he's going to teach you in this, when you get access, how you can set yourself up for success, leverage off all the stuff that he's got for you, websites, landing pages, how to set up order response, everything like that, or just how to drive traffic to the pages, free or paid. All that's in the modules. All you have to do is go through that, $7 a month. I mean, that's insane. Like I said, you want to jump in now. Now, this is the first crucial step. Once you get that, you can come over here to your commission and links, and then go down here and says affiliate commissions links login. Okay, and you can grab your link that will take people to a page like this. And when someone purchases through this, you get a commission. Um, and you'll get that every month as long as they stay a member. And it's a really solid program because a lot of people do stay members, so the retention's high. So step one, crucial, pick a really good quality product that you not only earn front end commissions on, but on the back end, you earn commissions off other products that he's built in at this level. Now there's two levels. There's an ambassador level and there's a low ticketed level, okay? Which is, you can decide what you want. But obviously the high ticketed level gets you access to a lot more of leveraging off his products and a lot more commissions based and potential products you can make money off. But at the basic level, there's about 7 or 8 different aspects where you can make affiliate commissions. And or he does all the emailing for you. He does all the promotion for you. You just send people to this page. If they join, then he will follow up with them. And if they buy any of the back end products that you're linked with, you get a commission on that as we go. And that's what we call, leveraging off these products. So it's not just a one sale time. So I hope this helps. Step one, really crucial. There's a link in my description if you want to go there now and get access to this. And I hope the $7 deal there is still there for you when you're watching this. If not, it's still well worth it. I bought in at 97 and it's been well worthwhile. The value in training inside is in just added as well. So go and grab that and we'll move on to the next section, which I want to talk about. How do we drive traffic? Step two, how do we, once you've gone through and set things, how do we drive traffic to your landing page or to this page? How do we do it? And basically what you can do, I'm going to show you a free version, how to do it on Facebook without spamming. You don't want to spam because that's no good. We don't like spammers. You don't like spammers when they spam you. So what you want to do is come to the group section here, go onto your Facebook, and that's okay. You don't have to you can use your profile. I just set up my profile like this, and this is really easy. If you want to know how to set up a profile like this or something along the lines that you're selling in affiliate marketing, and you're there to help people, then reach out to me, comment below, reach out to me through Facebook, my Facebook link in there as well. But what we want to do is come over here into groups, and you want to find a group, and maybe it's make money online groups, or work at home. So we'll come here and we'll have a look. We'll click select groups, and you just want to scroll through. Make money online tips. 4,000 members, 94 make money online. So I want you to go through and join these as many groups as you can. Like you may or may not get access to them. They don't accept everyone. There might be criteria. And once you get access to a group, I want to send you. I'll just go to here, groups for me. There's a few groups there, but there's one there that I the other day. Where is it? Where is it? There we go. Mind you, too, folks, if you keep watching this video to the end, I've got a bonus for you. I'm going to show you how to get access to the 7-figure affiliate marketing secrets. Okay, I'm going to give you an access link at the end of it. Okay, so just watch on, and you'll get access to the same training, high ticket training I'm involved with. So it's absolutely awesome. So hang around. So there's a few different groups you can go to, and this is the one here. So that I'm a part of, and you can just go in here and post. Now you can't spam your affiliate link, but what you do is when you set it up the way Anthony says by following the training, you come in here and add some value. Now Anthony's got all the resources you'll ever need in here. Funnels, websites, email marketing, tracking links, webinars, domain. So what you do is you come in and you go to these links and follow the training and grab some of the resources and reword them. And you might say, today I want to give you 3 key tips on how to make, whatever that is you want to do, $300 a day online. and then you would start to do your bullet points down below. Okay, and then right at the end of that post, and most of them allow these groups, most of them allow a link at the bottom. Now you don't want to, you want to put, you know, a nice looking link as best as possible. So you'll go through different points, and again, you can get it all off Anthony's. He's got modules in here. He's got Facebook posts. You can go in there, but you don't want to copy and paste them directly. What you want to do is you want to grab them and then just put them in a Word file and just reword them a little bit and go and watch a video on it online and add your own angle to it, and then post that on here with your link right at the bottom saying, if you want to learn more, please click here to watch the video, and they'll take them to this page. Okay, so you put a call to action in. That's the free way to do it. Find a group, find a related group that's making money, join a few because you might get accepted. You might join 10 and get accepted into 3 or 4, and post daily value content that you're learning off Anthony. Every session you're going to come in here and you're going to learn stuff. You're going to learn stuff. You're going to learn, you know, how to set it up, what is affiliate marketing, the basic tools, and then go and write that in a post somewhere and add value to that group, and then at the end give a call to action. Okay, so that's step 2, and I hope that really, really helps. And any comments, please, questions, throw them down in the comments. And guys, by the way, if you like this video and you're getting value out of it, please like, subscribe, ring the bell. I appreciate that. And that will just sort of help my video get up there a little bit so people can, you know, get some benefits out of this as well. Also in the description. So again, that link for Anthony's programs right in the link. I can't recommend it enough. I've joined up, and it's a fantastic program, and making money out of that one. But like I said, I focus on a high ticket group. My last thing is join a group where you get value. Join a group. So you want to make some money online. You want to set goals. You want to have accountability. You want to ask questions. So what can you do? Some of these groups will be good that you join. When you go and look for them, you'll get value. There'll be other people putting some valuable stuff in there you'll learn. But join a group. And when I say, you know, just and what I'm saying to you at the end, the bonus will be for you is this is a group that I'm a part of, and it's an awesome group. Okay, now I can get you, for watching this video right through, I can get you access to join this group. Now, normally to join this group and get this kind of similar training and ongoing training, people have paid a lot of money for. And I'm not going to say the figure. And myself I have to. I've paid invested a good amount of money, but I can't tell you the value that I've got back. Now, it's not just the group. I've bought all of Zach's training, coaching, mentoring training, websites, everything I've leveraged off him and been able to leverage that and make $1,000 commissions. Okay, so but this group at the moment he's offering you free to join the Facebook group. It's a private group, as you can see, and it's only for those that are really interested to take your business to the next level. You can join in there, no strings attached. You can watch the live stream videos that Zach does weekly. You can ask questions of members in there. I'm in there, and you can join this group for free. There is a link below in the description, and that's a bonus for you watching this video. And I know that if you take action and listen and implement what's inside the group, then you will get results. Okay, but you don't get access to the full training. You just get access to this particular group. So that's for watching too. So 3 key steps, guys: picking the right product to make money online, driving some really good relevant traffic that's relevant and it matches up with your audience, picking those Facebook groups out and adding value, and then also getting not only resources here and videos that you can get training on about, or how to sell people's products and how you can get set up online right out of the gate for success. You also on top get access to this group that I'm a part of, that many are a part of and succeeding, and you'll see their results in there. You'll see some very successful people further down the track, even than me, that are making $10,000 to $20,000 a month. So you get access to that. You can ask questions inside the group. And obviously down the road, if you want to receive Zach's coaching, then obviously you would apply to do that and set up a call with Zach. But that's for another video. So I want to thank you for watching this. I hope you got value. I hope this helps. I hope these tools help you. Take advantage of them. This is free. This is at a very low cost at the moment. So I would highly advise you join this. You need any help along the way when you do, reach out to me. Um, and that's all for today. Thanks for watching. All the best with your money making online adventure. And like I said, reach out. Please subscribe, comment below, and let me know if there's any hassles you have. And I'll do my best to get back to you and help you. Thank you. Bye now.